Looks like you took it on that one, huh?
Yeah, after this bike cooled down a minute.
What happened?
Go. The clutch. Yeah, the clutches are slipping hard on these things. But yeah, that was fun. Alrighty, time to go over the quirks and features of this beast. Alright, as you can see, we got that trial front wheel. Maximum grip in these conditions. All chromed out, gotta keep it looking fresh. As you can see here, I went with the lightweight gas tank. Keeps much better balance overall. Loose cable so when you can throw those bar spins. No throttle, I like this grip personally. Excellent in the dry conditions. Now, best quirk of this thing. It all the way down, that's neutral. Then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Like that. As you can see. Prime Kawasaki quality. Fancy seat. Now this is my style gripper seat. Best you can get. Shit, probably just busted the lever when I went down in that turn. Oh well. Blinker so they can know when you're turning. You can see this thing's great. Take it down the ocean every weekend. Now, we gotta get back to racing. Luke, quirks and features.
Alright, so here's my steed. For maximum power, as you can see, it has all the stickers. The forks are blown, the back shocks are blown, nothing more than you can ask for. Purple seat cover for maximum swag. Blue tip for even more horse torques. We got the gauges that are zip tied on, so they're nice and sturdy, you know. We got no front fender, so less air drag. We got 8 gears here. Broken back pegs, loose chain, all of the stuff to make it go fast.
How'd they feel out on the track?
Great. It's a little hot.
You blowing on them? I don't think that actually does anything, to be honest. I don't know where you learned that technique, but
It's cooling it down.
I didn't teach you that one.
No.
All right, well, I think that's a wrap for tonight. These guys have annoyed the neighbors, or neighbor. We only really have one neighbor. I think we've ridden long enough, so thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good night.